old-fashioned bleeding heart is a herbaceous perennial. A perennial meaning that it can sustain freezing in here in zone 5. It's hardy in zones 3 to 9. It's a beautiful plant. This specimen here is a good 3 foot tall and 3 foot wide. It gets taller and wider as it gets older. And you can see it's growing very well in this mixed flower bed with many other, you could even say crowded. And it likes partial shade to full shade. And it gets about half day of sun here, this location. And well-drained soil with a lot of organic material. And I don't actually water this one here too much, but it helps. It's going to appreciate if you water in the summer, especially when it's hot and dry. And you can give it a fertilizer, but actually this one here doesn't get much of anything, and it's doing very good. In fact, it's sort of under a big maple tree. Very easy plant to grow. A good choice for shade gardens. And it's a valuable addition to my garden. I've got it in a couple other places. It's not so old. So the older the plant gets, the bigger and more beautiful it is. This one here is probably at least 3 or maybe 4 years old. And every year it gets bigger and bigger. Well, and I hope that you like my channel. And if this is any help to you at all, please subscribe. I'd very much appreciate it. Thank you very much. And see you next time.